Alright, I wanted to show you this. I have it wired up. Black's on the negative, blue is on the positive. Black is on the right here. Pin, I'm not sure what the pin is, but, and then black, don't use that wire. So 1 and 3. 1 and 3. I just got these held off to the side. They're not connected to anything. But as you press this, it lights up. That's 1 and 3. Now if we get rid of this 3 and do 1 and 2, it just stays continuously lit. Make sure I can put that in there. It's continuously lit. Can I get that light there maybe? Hit the button. Oh, yeah. Nothing happens when you hit the button. You know what? I've gone this far. Hook the other one up. Okay, I don't know what the black one does, but for science, if it does something and breaks it, we're going to have one less. But hey, it's a chance I'm willing to take. Nothing on that one. Nothing on that one. Nothing on that one. All right. Pretty cool device. I just happen to have a couple of these lying around. Show what I used. There you have it.